Monday morning, folks. Welcome to a brand new episode of the Finmet Mondays podcast. Sunil, gold had quite a eventful run this week, and so did silver. Gold hit highs of 4,250, if I'm not wrong, and then you saw a pullback all the way down to 4,050 levels. So a good 150 $200 pullback in the metal. If you could give us your take on that.
It started from 4,000 and went up in the first half of the week, predominantly because I think the gold bulls were back in the market. And that was driven partly also that the feeling that the Fed was behind the curve. The Fed may reduce interest rates, and so therefore inflation is going to get out of control. And so people just sort of went in there and bought gold. But what happened between Thursday and Friday is firstly the shutdown of the government, US government, was sorted out. It opened up. And the second thing that happened was that the data coming out and the announcement coming out from Fed seemed to imply that the Fed is not going to cut. It's not a given. There was a lot of hawkish sentiment, and I think the Chairman Powell also said it's not a done deal. So that's when people felt, oh, maybe the Fed fund rate is not going to come down, inflation may be in check, and therefore gold came off. So it was really a sort of a Fed funds inflation kind of story where people pulled back, and but still, the sentiment remains bullish amongst the investment community. On the other hand, the physical demand really has died down. China demand is close to zero, and demand in India also is less. I hear that the discounts there are actually discounts for gold in India right now. So there's obviously some profit taking that's taking place. So in the physical markets, there is some profit taking place, but in the investment side of the market, there continues to be a strong bullish tone. And so in the coming week, I think we're going to see that tussle between the two. I do suspect that we're going to go higher, however, because new money will keep coming into the gold market.
Thanks a lot, Sunil. Let's see how the markets play out this week. But till then, thank you so much and goodbye.